Competitiveness TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Sorkar Jilla ubah kami ia katnat puli puthi ubah lakman rumboi hakar pesautre unaitung arja pendrio ula pelai ba ia ka Meghalaya Skul Performance Grading Index araja pesan arja pendrio ka badai ka rukom ban Bishar pura ka paningkong jong ka jilla ia ka jing trikam jong ki skul ka ba kenthop ia baro khatwe hajar South Pa South Pyllait ligi skul ki bala ithu haki khat ligi district jong ka jilla ki skul Performance Grading Index balapan kre da katnat puli puthi da ka bapenan kam ya ki jingtep ki balapan scam naka UDISE plus araja pesan arja pendrio ka Bishar ya ki skul ling ba South Pyllait ligi dak Bishar ki ba hap apo ki santali ki benta ki ba kongsan kata ka accessibility digital education infrastructure facilities ki kam ki ba dei bat ka National Education Policy NEP bat quality parameters ha ka ba ka jingyo ma ka ba hetam kalong shejar point man la ka wei pakawai ka skul kan yo ya ka skul report card ka pen ya ka jingyo point bat ka kerdan ha ka jing trekam.
As you know that the government of Meghalaya from time to time try to do its best to give the best education in the state. And this effort for the last 8 years we have seen improvement. But having said that, as you know also there are so many challenges which are there. So the Department of Education tried to do everything in its try to do its best. But having said that, as I said before, challenge is there. And you know that recently the government of India have released the PGI score for the whole country, and we know in the state of Meghalaya where we are ranking. And to take this forward, that the government, because this is not only the endeavor of the government, it is the all the stakeholders have to join hand if we want the best education in the state. So we are trying to think what to do. I'm very thankful to the department, to the SEMAM, that we have innovated the first, I may say, the first of its kind in the country, where we have ranked the school where they are. The purpose of this is that every school should know how much is their score, where they rank, and what are the things to improve. So the ranking, the school have been taken map is 11,443 schools. It is a massive exercise. It is not a I'm very grateful to the team who are doing all this work. And out of this 11,443 schools, we are ranking state-wise, district-wise, so that, as I said before, the schools will know where they rank. And the ranking is based in different grades. Utkash, Uttam 1, Uttam 2, Uttam 3, Prasasta 1, 2, 3, Akanshi 1 till Akanshi 10. So the score is from 0% till 10% out of 100 point, 1000 point. So this is, so to say, PGI score is for all over the country, but this also our own state specific PGI score, so that the schools, different managing committee, different schools, they will know where they stand. So the purpose of this conference today, as I said before, that to release this PGI for the state of Meghalaya, where These 11,443 schools, they will know where they are ranked and what are the things to improve. And these are done out of 43 domains. In the PGI, there is 73. And these are doing as per the UDICE score, which we take from UDICE and we compile it, and it becomes one mirror for us to look where do a different school will look where they stand. And in this report, you will see there are some schools, the score is very disappointing. When I talk about 11,443 schools, it does not mean that only the government school. It means all the schools which submit the UDICE in the domain. And these also include even some CBSE school or irrespective of the board. So in this ranking, you will see that there are some ICSE school, some CBSE school, so on and so forth. So as I said before, the methodology which we do, it is that we have taken from the UDICE and we rank them and we keep the school. And this is not a one-off exercise. We'll try to do every year. If not, we'll try to do every year so that to keep time to those schools to improve. And if they does not improve, that means those schools, they are not doing anything. So we from the government also, we may take necessary step that those schools should not remain, because that means, so as I said before, they will know, and this will make the school competitive amongst themselves. And when there is a competition, how to rank higher, we hope that the school, the PGI school ranking will improve from this year 5 to 5.71, it will go higher. So I'm very thankful to Commissioner Secretary, to the Secretary Education, to the team who worked very hard. It is not very easy to get the record of all 11,443 schools, but they did it. And as I said, this may be the first of its kind where a state government rank its own school irrespective of the managing committee, whether government, private, and everything. So that is the purpose of thing. And this score, not only that, this score, the different schools, they can download it, their mark sheet, so to say, their mark sheet, where they score, how they rank, they can download it, they will know. And when they see that, they can improve. And I'm very thankful to DSEO, STSEO also, try to work very hard. I urge my officers from the district, the subdivision, and the block resource person, the BRC, let us work together. Our aim is that to give the best education to the student of the state. See, different districts, they have a different challenge, different schools, and they have a different ranking. And we have seen that in this report, everything is written from all the districts. So we have seen that the schools, and you will find that the number one school in the top 20 is Jyoti School Higher Secondary School. This is top school, and the score is 930 out of 1,000. Kamor kane ka rank number 1. Ka bottom, ka ba dunatam, ka step by step lawa scale LP school, West Kas Hills ka school tu karong tang arpun real. Only 26 out of 1,000 is the bottom rank. So in this ranking, we are giving all the scores. So the ranking based on the schools, the lowest is there, and different districts also we have given some different ranking, top 20 and the bottom 20, so that they will know. It is like we want that every school should challenge itself how to improve, and by challenge itself, it can challenge the other also to improve. It is a constitutional right of everybody to establish the school as long as they meet the different all the criteria. But having said that, schools is not for a mere existence. It has to give education to the children. If they perform very bad, we will have to withdraw even the recognition also.
So how many years will you?
This is the first report. Let us not jump to conclusion. This is the first step. Maybe they don't know that they will be ranked like this. Maybe by saying that, then they will do more. So let us not jump into conclusion. But this is like I said. I urge every school to challenge itself, to improve, and moreover challenge the other also.
But how many years? 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? How many?
We have not come up with any plan for that. As I said, that if the school does perform, do a parent will send their children to that school? No. And if there is no student, what is the meaning of that school? You know, that is itself become non-existent. So that is the thing. So, see, for those things which are managed by the government, we will try to improve ourselves. We are not telling that, or you will know from the school where our government school also run. We also will try to improve. For all the school which all the government run school, we will see what for the managing by the different, they have to try to find the source where to improve themselves.
Sir,
If there is native fund available to step, we are surely, the door is not closed, but as you know, that we will look at the comments.
Sir, since this criteria is you guys thing, so whether all the schools in Meghalaya are actually they are enrolling in you guys.
100%.
So just about the teachers, the shortfall, if you can just tell us where are they still running short of teachers, and how are you filling up all those? When are we expecting?
We have around 700 plus teachers only in the common LP school, which vacancy, and the recruitment will be out very soon. So NTET is conducted today, and not only that, there are also some vacancy in the aided school, which the recruitment have not happened for the last few months or a few years. We will keep permission case-to-case basis, not randomly, case-to-case basis will keep. So recruitment will start in the few months' time.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride